Okay, so I don't know if you can hear me, because we're right next to a giant waterfall. But we're back at Rock Run. It's just a different area. This water is moving very fast. You can see it. Isaac is going to test how deep it is with a giant rock. Owen's over there. Anissa is over there.
Just in case I fall.
Why are you gonna, how would you fall?
Because I'm going to try to throw this.
And the thing is too, the water's moving fast. So if you jump in, you're gonna get washed down this way. And you're either gonna stop yourself right there, or you're just gonna go into the rapids. And I mean, most of right here you would be able to stop at, but there's an area right there where you would just like keep going. There's a lizard and now I'm in freezing water.
There he is!
Is that one like poisonous or something?
I don't know, he's black
That's
though.
not touching it.
Wait, let me zoom
Oh,
in.
don't come at us, bro.
You don't want this smoke.
I'll probably just put the rock over.
Oh, don't crush him.
Was it already over him?
Yeah.
Oh yeah then.
Oh,
Sorry.
okay. Okay, he said that.
I think I poked him a little too hard.
Told you he didn't want that smoke.
Yeah.
Now he's in a hole.
I'm going.
See, if that was deeper, I could just kind of flop in, but I can't. It's just your feet. If my feet didn't hurt, I wouldn't care.
Bobby,
Well, I feel like if I just go in and dive kind of in it, it's not that bad once you actually do it.
I'd be fine to take my camera over, wouldn't I? This should be fine, I would
Or what I
think.
could do is just go in over there and then kind of just swim over and see how bad it is.
We could just make a trip over there. And are you flopping?
No, I'm probably just gonna kind of swim it. I don't want to flop because I don't know how deep these actually are.
Okay. Now I have to make my way across, of course with the camera, as always. And just hope it doesn't fall. There's a waterfall right there, so if I fall, I'm just like gone. There's the waterfall. If I can't doggy paddle, then I'm gonna drown. Then you definitely can't doggy paddle in this.
No.
So that's what I said. If you get caught in that, you're just like going. We came to the place we were last time because the other area had like a whole like rip current and we didn't really know how deep it was, so we didn't want to go in there. But we came to the place we were last time and it's a lot deeper than last time. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but we come over here. Like you can see, like even like over there, like it's a lot deeper. No, it's a spider. Look at that spider. Okay, so I'm in the, like, where our stuff is over there. That's where I was, and they're, like, right there. Like, in the shallow area.